everybody, I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial. I haven't done my makeup in a while. I'm a little nervous. If you're new, subscribe. I'm going to just start with priming them with this Rimmel London Concealer. DHC cream powder. This pink shade. Darken it up a little bit with this brown color from I'm gonna put this color number . So I just finished my eyes and we'll finish that up after. Primer, I'm going to be trying out this Bobbi Brown Primer Plus Radiance primer. Looks like pink. It has SPF 35. One of my makeup tutorials before, I love to use the Wet n Wild and the Milani foundation. This is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus and the Milani 2-in-1 foundation plus concealer. Add a tiny bit of this because I accidentally added a lot of foundation. I'm just using a damp beauty blender to blend that out. I want to use this CoverGirl True Blend Contour Palette. I'm going to take this dense brush from Physicians Formula and I'm just gonna blend this out. I'm gonna put on the highlighter that is in here. Just gonna go over all of this, what I just did with a sponge, just to help calm it down a little bit. Now I'm just putting concealer from my Profusion Eyes palette. I'm not gonna put a lot because it creases really bad, but I really like the color. Also gonna go in with the CoverGirl Stick Concealer. Now I'm gonna set my face. Use these Juicy Couture brushes, they're softer. To finish off the eye look, I'm going to start with that pink shade. Now I'm going to put the brown underneath. and I'll be right back because eyeliner is tricky for me to film. And for mascara, I actually have a new mascara to share with you guys. First, I'm going to use the Lancome Definition Mascara. Talk about is the Killer Curves mascara from Physicians Formula. It looks just like my Lancome, this one. Voluminous lashes. It doesn't really clump. We're gonna do some bronzer. I've been wanting to try this Physicians Formula bronzer. I'm gonna take this angled fluffy brush by Juicy Couture. Finish off the look. I want to try this new highlighter. It's by Physicians Formula. It looks like this. Well, using a blender brush. I'm gonna set my face with this Wet n Wild setting spray. I forgot to put blush on, but I just did. Used this blush slash bronzer. So this is the look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'm so excited to upload this. If you guys enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Comment down below any ideas you would like to see from me. Hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.